recorder. All right.
You can do, cause that's an iPhone, right?
Yeah.
You should get, Filmic, I think it's called Filmic Pro. You can do, marks.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Because I like to just upload the shit straight up. I don't like to edit shit.
But I'm saying though, but making it easy because you don't have to go back. Like if like for example, say you wanted to just put up that portion right there we was talking about how fucked up it is in the comedy game. You could just go through your marks.
I'll bet and shoot me that. And then shit. Speaking of, I had to get this. I got this film script app. I'm probably gonna get because nigga, I gotta get a movie off. I gotta get one out.
Yeah.
In my.
Oh yeah.
That's what I want to do. Like I want to take black people, two crazy motherfuckers, like one with a fucking like a chick with like bipolar and shit, and then they go around and do it. So I'm just gonna take the script, copy it, move shit around, just make it black, and then rewatch the movie so I know what scenes I need to have in there, and then that'll be. Cause have you ever seen the script for that?
No.
It's a short script. It's
I think I've seen the movie.
Yeah,
it's like what's it called? Woody.
Quentin Tarantino. Yeah. So it's literally fucking like the script is like less than 100 pages. I was like, I can do that shit.
That's about right though, because the movie is about
it's not long.
About an hour.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
About an hour 10. Something.
Yeah. Why this fucking writer strip and all that shit? Like, and motherfuckers.
Are they still on it? The writers?
Yes, they are not gonna like the studios are gonna bleed them out. Like. The studios is gonna bleed them out to a point where they're like, all right, we gotta go back. All right, so bam, we got all that. So let me just keep everything copacetic. All right, so to make a song, so we wanna hit menu, so right up there.
Okay.
Menu, and then go to song. So this is song mode.
Okay.
All right, so you see how we have our intro, our verse, our hook, our outro, our bridge.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So to put all this in order. Hit record. All right, so now go ahead and put your intro in there. So let's click that. Hit bridge, BR, and then verse, hook, and then
outro.
Yeah, anything else you want to do, like you can. It don't gotta be in all in order, but just for the sake of, a song, you want to do another. You sure you want 2 hooks, 2 verses?
Oh, I don't know. I was just
okay.
We can take it out though. How do you take it out?
Oops, there we go. Hit delete. Oh, my bad. I did that. And then start all the way over. All right. So intro, verse, bridge. Yeah, verse, hook, verse, hook, and then usually a bridge. Yeah, and then outro. So bam. Make sure we're done. Yep, you're good. Then when you want to go, if you want to, what the fuck?
Yeah, I'll take that. That's 4
Damn
hours.
it. This is what happens when I try to do things backwards. All right.
Do the whole thing over?
Yeah.
Okay.
Intro,
bridge, verse, hook, verse, bridge, outro.
All right. That. All right. Good. All right. So now you can hit record again.
Record again?
Yeah, just hit record. Yeah, so get you out of there. So if you want to have, let's say, so we got 4 bar everything. So let's say if you want, and usually verses are what, 16?
Or 8. No,
8.
Yeah, 16 too long now.
Yeah, so do 8. So now you get an 8 bar.
Okay.
And then some verse, another 8. But when you go in, if you go in before, like now if you do a 4, like if you already put it in 8, then you don't need to like.
If you record it in 8.
Yeah. Okay. So all right. So we can go in, and if you want to hear it play back.
do sound like somebody get beat.
Yeah, so there you go. So if we want to have that whole thing as a sequence, hit convert.
Okay.
And then sequence. So you can, it'll be the unused sequence on there.
Okay.
So go ahead and hit that, do it. And then if you want to export it as a song, hit export.
Where?
Right down there.
Oh,
yeah. And then just make it an MP3. And then that's how you change it. And then it's 36 bars, all that good shit. So export. And then click on there. And then go ahead and you can save.
That's it. First song.
First song, nigga.
Hell yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hell yeah. Appreciate that.
Bro.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna upload that bitch. It was my first song at them.
So once you like get into the YouTube videos, and then it'll show you how to like mix it all to fucking have shit like fade and transition. There's so much shit you can do like right here in this one machine.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I was like, I want to like master like this shit. And then I'll fucking, go to, all right, then I'll figure out, the whole logic and mastering that shit.
Yeah.
But I'm like, all right, let me figure out one thing at a time. And then.
Yeah, this is good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the same thing. Cause I got a DAW.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? But I don't use that shit.
And even then, even if you just had the DAW, you could do everything, learn the DAW, and then fucking you can create whole songs and that shit. There's fucking BandLab on the phone. You can use that. You can make there's this
BandLab.
Yeah, BandLab is
you can make beats on the phone.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's this kid. What's his name? Let me see. All right. What's his name? Let me pull this shit up.
I'm gonna put this up right now. Band. Oh, there we go. BandLab. Man, you be knowing this shit.
Hey man, just learning along the way.
Oh, I see GarageBand. But it look like more people got BandLab.
Yeah. Let me find this kid.
But BandLab is the main thing niggas is on, huh?
Yeah, it's a lot of kids using that. Hold on, I'm gonna find him.
Does BandLab cost?
No, it's free, but you can
You probably gotta pay for packs though, huh?
Packs, yeah. Damn it, I'll find him. Hold on, let me see. That's gonna piss me off. I'm gonna find him. It's like.
And all this stuff is royalty free?
Yeah, you'll find a lot of royalty free stuff. Let's see. You know what? It's probably on some simple shit that I was looking on. Let me find them. No, not Dick Rappers. Not Leverage. There we go, Lil Tyler. Lil Tyler. This nigga literally. Nigga made this shit on BandLab, dog. Actually, let me show. Let me see. Lil Tyler. Let me go YouTube.
He from Atlanta?
Probably so.
I'm gonna get in the studio in front of me. Yes, I'll be in my room by myself. Well, making hit records on this.
Damn, I know there's a fucking.
He sound like he from Atlanta.
Feel like, you know, what?
Let's see, makes man. Let's see, makes be on. Bandlines. Ah, damn it. I'll find that shit later. Alright, that app, that's cool. If you're gonna drop like a quick $4 or $5, this is Koala app. And it's like a sequencer and shit. It's pretty much the phone version of that machine, okay, over there. My fucking, oh, you can't see, it's like a yeah, so this bitch right here.
Oh, what's that?
This is a Roland SP404 MK2.
Okay.
So it's like a sequencer and shit. Let me see. So, hold on, I already got. Let me see. So this right here. Shit. Let's see if I can. Oops. Oh, okay, there we go. Let's see. Where did I put that? Just a little more. That's fine. Alright. So once we go through the sequence shit,
Yeah, that's a lot of weird shit on there.
yeah, just play around with shit, man. All I do is like get in front of the video, play around, make a beat, some shit, and then throw it up, and then you got content.
Yeah. Fucking